Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 43 AMG. This one's a Sunlight Gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 384 horsepower and 385 pounds of torque. 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, adaptive high beam assist, brushed aluminum running boards, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the fender, black MB Tex interior with a black piano lacquer trim, panorama sunroof, freeway climate control, trailer hitch, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, clean to the AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 3 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, AMG illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE 43 has 38,988 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.